how to check who shared your Facebook post. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your Facebook share notifications and find out when someone shares your post. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap the menu button, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Settings. Scroll down until you find Notifications, then tap on it. Now tap More Activity About You. Make sure Shares notifications are turned on. You can enable push, email, or SMS notifications, so you'll be notified whenever someone shares your post. Once you've enabled the notifications, go back to the main Facebook screen. Tap the notifications icon. Scroll through your recent notifications or tap See Previous Notifications to view older ones. If someone has shared your post, Facebook will display a notification here. Simply tap the notification to view the shared post and any available details. And that's it. You now know how to check who shared your Facebook post. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more Facebook tips and tutorials.